how to order Temu cash on delivery. So I'm going to explain how this works. You want to open up the Temu app and choose the product which you want to purchase. I will just go into this one and then I will add it to my cart. Choose the variant and add to cart. Okay, so once we have done this, you will have your cart right here. So I will go into my cart, just review all of the items which you want to purchase and click on checkout. Okay, so once you have selected checkout, here you will see the payment methods. You will have Apple Pay card, new card, PayPal. Now, this is going to work differently depending on the region which you're using Temu in. So for my region, I need to have a not a high amount order in order to get cash on delivery. And since mine is 30 euros, it counts as a high amount. So if you have a lower amount order, then you will see here, if your region supports it, underneath the payment methods you will see cash on delivery or C.O.D. So that way you can choose that option and just go through the prompts, order and pay, or just order. Here you will click it in the bottom right, go through the prompts, and that's how you order cash on delivery. I hope this helps, hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.